I have got the iQOO 12 Pro and it comes with some exciting new features. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, runs on Origin OS 4.0 and features the new Q1 powerful gaming chipset. Not to forget the camera department as well. So the iQOO 12 series was just launched in China last night and I got my hands on it because I'm living in China. That's great, right? You will know everything about the iQOO 12 Pro in this in-depth honest review. And we will also be doing a full camera review in the next video. But now let's explore all the exciting features that the iQOO 12 Pro has to offer. This is iQOO 12 Pro box. You will find the iQOO 12 Pro itself on the top layer. There's a protective nice red case, a SIM card tool, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a 120 watt fast charger. With the unboxing complete, it's time to dive into the iQOO 12 Pro specifications. So, the iQOO 12 Pro got some new changes on its design and impressive features. It comes in 3 colors, including leather red color, but white color comes with branding BMW. The iQOO 12 series come with very thin side frame with rounded corners, giving it a sleek and polished look. They are using AG glass material on the back in the non-leather version. It boasts not one but 2 speakers high-res audio, with one positioned at the top and another at the bottom. Its ultra-narrow body measures just 8.35 mm, making it exceptionally easy to handle. And here's a neat feature. It can still stand on a surface even it comes with curved display. Yeah, talk about the display. The iQOO 12 Pro features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution, especially the Samsung 2K E7 with an optional in-screen fingerprint sensor. The display offers a resolution of 3200 by 1440, resulting in a pixel density of 517 pixels per inch. It also achieves a peak brightness of 3000 nits and provides a touch sampling rate of 300 Hz. But iQOO 12 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. One of the standout features is its support for LTPO technology. The iQOO 12 Pro stainless steel VC vapor chamber cooling reaches 5705 mm2, but iQOO 12 achieves a larger area that is 6010 mm2. This allowing for an adaptive refresh rate of 144 Hz. Whether you are browsing the web, reading or gaming, this display ensures a seamless visual experience. And there's more details about the display and I will cover it later in the gaming section. To keep its lights on, the device comes with a 5100 mAh battery with a 120 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging, which supports up to 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Just turn on the reverse wireless charging in the setting and there you go. If the phone charging recycle times reached about 1600 times, the battery capacity is still maintained more than 80%. As the iQOO stated, the charging speed is quite satisfactory for 5100 mAh battery. It takes about 19 to 20 minutes to fully charge it. And now the cherry on top. The iQOO 12 series runs on the Android 14 based Origin OS 4.0. In the Origin kits, you can add tons of small gadgets to your screen for quick actions. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the latest processor now, and the GPU is octa-core Adreno 750, ensuring snapping performance and seamless multitasking. Well, the iQOO 12 Pro series does not support expandable storage options, so you should consider your storage needs before purchasing the iQOO 12 Pro. Meanwhile, the iQOO 12 Pro supports NFC 2.0, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB 3.2, dual band GPS, UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. The iQOO 12 Pro's Antutu overall score is 2,087,000, but iQOO officials have stated that it's actually 2,287,000 on the Antutu Score. This Antutu Score is quite impressive, especially considering its price range. Oh yeah, we can't forget to mention that the iQOO 12 series is equipped with a self-developed gaming chip, the Q1 gaming chip. I show you the actual FPS results you can get in Genshin Impact. In the original quality and high quality modes, you will have 60 FPS to 144 FPS. And in super high quality mode, in iQOO 12, you will have 36 FPS to 72 FPS. But in iQOO 12 Pro, you will get 30 FPS to 60 FPS. So the iQOO 12 Pro won't heat up easily while playing games, even when running demanding titles like Genshin Impact. However, I played Genshin Impact on the highest graphics settings for about 6 hours continuously on my iQOO 12 Pro, and I didn't feel any heating issues with this phone. I must say it's very impressive for high graphic games. In PUBG, you will experience a frame rate ranging from 90 FPS to 144 FPS. However, in the game settings, there's no option for selecting 90 FPS, but you can control the frame rate through the settings in the game center. Well, the iQOO 12 Pro features a triple rear camera setup. In the camera department, the iQOO 12 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel large main camera with OIS, plus 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. On the front, this device has a 16 megapixel lens for selfies. Before we go ahead and take some samples, let's explore the camera settings it offers. Alright, now it's time to check out the camera setting. We have many options. The first one is snapshot, night, portrait, photo, video, macro, and more. In more, you can have high resolution, supermoon, astro, pro. These are my favorites actually. When you are taking photos from front camera using portrait, so you can zoom in to 2x and 1x, and from the back you can have 1x, 2x, and 3x. That's it. In photos, when you are taking photos from back camera, you can have 0.6x, which is ultra wide. It gives you 120 degrees angle. Nice. And this is 10x. Wow, very stable, very stable. Nice. And you can have, this is 40x, this is 100x. Wow, 100x. In video section, you would be disappointed because from front camera you can only record 1080p 30 fps. Very bad, right? But from back camera you can have 4K 60 fps, 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, and 30 fps.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright guys, now I'm recording the video from front camera using 1080p 30 fps. That's only you can get from iQOO 12 Pro, and this is the result from front camera. And I'm not using any external microphone for recording this video, and it's a bit windy around here. Wow, nice sky. Alright guys, now I'm recording the video from back camera using 4K 30 fps. It also offers 60 fps, but I'm using 30 fps. This is ultra wide angle 0.6x, and this is 1.1x, the normal one. And this is scary. This is the angle for vlogging you can have from iQOO 12 Pro. The sky is clear. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, let me show you. So you can zoom till 10x. This is 10x. Wow, very clear. This is running result. I'm running fast. Wow, cool. The iQOO 12 Pro pricing starts at 5000 RMB, around $687 for the basic model 16GB RAM 256GB internal storage. This device is available in 3 colors including black, white and red, offering a range of options to suit your preferences. And I know lots of people have been waiting for iQOO 12 series, but you might still need to wait for a couple of weeks or months since it's currently only launched in China. If you wanted to buy iQOO 12 or iQOO 12 Pro, you can visit my description. There is an affiliated link. I only affiliated this website. This website is not mine. This website is charging little bit extra, maybe because of Korea, but you can decide if you want to buy. This has been a comprehensive review of the iQOO 12 Pro, covering everything from its captivating design to its powerful performance and advanced features. In the next video, we will conduct a camera and gaming review of the iQOO 12 Pro. Please don't miss it. Thank you for joining us today on Mr.Laowai-English Tech. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.